Please do not use power tools during installation, as this could cause the arm to fail. First, attach the clamp mount to the desk using the 6mm Allen wrench. Next, slide the monitor arm onto the mount, followed by attaching the VESA plate to the monitor using the 4 Phillips head screws. With the VESA plate attached to the monitor, slide the VESA plate into the top of the arm. You may need to adjust the strength of the arm to allow the monitor to float weightlessly above the desk. The monitor must be on the arm before making these adjustments. Positioning the arm as shown while adjusting the counterbalance will ensure the arm will be properly balanced throughout the arm's range of motion. Use the 4mm Allen wrench to adjust the counterbalance screw at the base of the arm. Turn clockwise to strengthen the arm for heavier monitors, counterclockwise to weaken the arm for lighter monitors. Every few turns, check your progress to see if your arm continues to drift. You may have to make quite a few turns until the arm is balanced. The arm is properly counterbalanced when it stays in position wherever you place it. In some instances, an additional counterbalance adjustment may be necessary. Snug the set screw located underneath the arm using the 4mm Allen wrench. The monitor tilt friction can be adjusted by using the 4mm Allen wrench to adjust the screw located underneath the tilter. The monitor arm offers a 180-degree rotation stop. To set the rotation stop, use the 4mm Allen wrench to snug the set screw located on the front of the arm. The tension of the forearm and tilter joints can be adjusted as well. To increase or decrease forearm tension, adjust the set screw located underneath the forearm with the 4mm Allen wrench. The tilter rotation joint tension can be adjusted by using the 4mm Allen wrench to adjust the screw underneath where the tilter joins the arm. After all of the adjustments have been made, route the monitor cables underneath the arm using the cable management clips. This completes the installation of the